Meaning of gullet.
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 Gullet. Gullet refers to the passage between the mouth and stomach in a vertebrate. It is also known as the esophagus, which is responsible for pushing food and liquid down from the mouth to the stomach through a series of muscle contractions. The gullet is an essential component of the digestive system, aiding in the breakdown of food into nutrients and waste. Without a properly functioning gullet, individuals may experience difficulties in swallowing and digesting food. Maintaining a healthy gullet involves adopting healthy eating habits and avoiding behaviors that can damage the esophagus, such as smoking or excessive alcohol consumption.